Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, that generation here from year 2015 to year 2023. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuses for ignition coils are located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So now, guys, where is the ignition coils fuse? We'll demonstrate on a 5.0 GT, but even if you have a different engine, it will work as well. On the left side, you're going to find your fuse box right here. How do you open it? By pressing that notch right here. Press in, slowly lift up and hold it like that. Now on the inside, guys, the good news is that you have that fuse numbers right here printed on the back of the fuse box cover, and they correspond to what we have here. Bad news, we don't know what they're for, so that's why we decided to make the video, guys, and help you as much as we can. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here on the ignition coils fuse, guys, if you come right there, that's the fuse box that we need. Okay, that's a very important fuse box for engine management. That fuse box corresponds to what we have here. And if you come from the top, that fuse will be actually known under a different name. Could be something like a power fuse. But if we come here on the very right side and you count the Ford fuse, 1, 2, 3, 4, that 15 fuse, that's the one for the ignition coils. Okay, right there. So that's the fuse that you need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.